Hi, welcome to 2024, Term 3, Class B, practicing video number 4. Now today we have one technique in two pieces from the piano book, then the concert piece. Now first we're going to start with the finger exercises. I'd like you to get your technique book and turn the page on 14. So there's a one piece called melodic interval. Here, melodic interval. It has two lines, one for right hand, one for left hand. Now this exercise is for walking finger. When we're talking about walking finger, I want to see the two fingers that has a one moment that holding the key down together and then release the other one. In the class, we did a very slow practice on this. Drawing left, drawing left. Drawing means that the next finger is drawing the first one, and then you left the previous one, then drawing again, left, drawing left. We do a very slow motion in the class, and the students is having a coin on their wrist, so to keep their wrist very steady. So when we do walking fingers, we're looking at lifting finger up. That motion is really important. If we left our fingers, we don't need the wrist to get involved, so we won't see the shaking hands problem. Okay, so having the coins on the hand will help to stabilize the hand, and you can see the movements from the knuckles. We want to see the knuckles moving very actively, your left fingers very actively, not the wrist. We don't want to shaking our wrist or press our wrist down. Okay, now I'll demonstrate this one. So watch carefully and then you can practice on the piano. So first, we're gonna hold number 1 down. Now the number 2, left, 一定要 left up and then drawing, release. Number 1, drawing. Number 2, release. Drawing, release. Drawing, release. Drawing, release. Drawing, release. Drawing, release. Okay, now we have number 2 down. Okay, let's do 1 and 3 this time. Number 1, drawing, release. Number 3, drawing, release. Drawing, release. Drawing, release. Drawing, release. Drawing, release. Now 1, 4, drawing, release. Drawing, release. Drawing, release. 一定要有一瞬间是2个手指同时在按下去琴键。Release, drawing, release, drawing, release. 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5. Going back to 1, 4. Drawing, release, drawing, release, drawing, release, drawing, release, drawing, release, drawing, release. 1, 2. Release, release, drawing, release, drawing, release, and then back to C. Now we're gonna try the left hand. I'm using the C positions. For the first day practice, you can start from C, and then next days you can choose a new position, D position, the next day E position, so the students get used to different hand positions, not just doing C all the time. Okay, now we're gonna go to left hands. Left hands we do the same, dropping on 1. Number 2, left up first, drawing, left, drawing, left, drawing, left, drawing. 1, 3, drawing, left, 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 drawing. 4, 3, 2. Okay, so you're starting from a 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, coming back 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2. Lifting the finger, the knuckles high as important. Okay, and using curved fingers. Keep the wrist very steady. All right, that's our finger exercises. Now we move to the P's. Birthday fun is last week. We can play the notes and the rhythm correctly, but we're gonna working on the connections of each finger. So I demonstrate very slowly. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand. 1, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 4, 1. The key thing is body lean forward, lifting your hand and your fingers. Okay, no finger allowed to have that flat. We want to curve and try to lift them high. We want to see a very smooth transition between each fingers, not the wrist shaking or lifting the whole hands up because there's no repeating notes. Okay, now this one, practicing slowly, working on the legato walking fingers. Now skip to my law. We're gonna count and also play as much legato as possible. I will demonstrate. 2. Okay, lots of walking fingers in here, so make sure they are connected. Okay, so just keep practicing those two, keep mastering it. Right, we have a look at our concert piece, 这世界这么多人. Now, last week we learned about the first 4 bars. Okay, so let's play the first 4 bars first, then we're talking about the new one. So starting from a right hand C. 1, E, N, A, 1, N, 1, E, N, A, 1, N, 1, E, N, A, 2, E, N, A, 3, E, N, A, 1, N, 1, E, N, A, 2, E, N, A, 1, E, N, A, 1, E, N, A, 1, E, N, A, 2, E, N, A, 3, E, N, A, 4, E, N, A. Right, so that's how we count the beat. Now let's play slightly faster using the concert tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Alright, that's the first 4 bars. So I want you to play 1 counting, doing this slowly, make sure fingering is correct, and then you can increase your speed by using the concert speed. Now we're going to have a look at the bar 5. So start from here. We have C, 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 D, E, and G. Yes, some parents will ask me, oh, it looks like the finger number is not correct. But actually here, we're gonna use 3, 4 for E and G because we're gonna save our number 5, our pinkies, for the next note A in the bar 6. Okay, so let's read out the fingering. If you already update your sheet, you should have a fingering on it. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, let's try the bar 5. 1 E in A, 1 N, 1 N, 1 N. One more time. 1 E N A, 1 N, 1 N, 1 N. You see the 3, 4? It's about this wide. 1 N. Good. Now the concert speed. Right. Next bar, we have A, G, E, D. A is 2 beat, G is 1 beat, half beat, half beat. So let's listen to this bar. 1 E N A, 2 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A. One more time. 1 E N A, 2 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A. Right. Let's listen to the concert speed. Right, you can pause here and practice as many times as you need. The line 3, 1, 2, 3, first bar, starting from the left hand. We have adopted a rhythm here. C, A, and then G, A, C. C, A, G, A, C. We're going to count the rhythms while I play. You start from the left hand, number 1. 1 E N A, 2 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 2 E N A. Right, one more time. 1 E N A, 2 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 2 E N A, 3 E N A, 4 E N A. Okay, now I'm gonna play, or actually I played one more bar. I play that C because it's also used the left hands 4 beat, so I'll just make that phrase the bar 4 and bar 5 together. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate from the second line, middle bar, and up to the C. We have a star before or after that C, so we're going to finish here, the repeat sign. Okay, so I want you to put both hands on the pianos. All right. One more time. Okay, so that's the first 8 bars that we learned in the class. We learned 4 more bars in the class. If you continue, if you want to do a little bit more, that you can start from the repeat sign where I draw a start. So carry on, play a few bars, because from the start it actually the same as the beginning. So we have a first bar, the same, second, the same, third the same, fourth bar is the same, and the fifth bar is the same. Sixth bar is the same up to the last bar of this page. Okay, it's different from the previous phrase. So we can see this bar here and the last bar quite similar, but the ending is different. Okay, so what I would do is I will demonstrate from the start. We do another A bars and then talk about the last two. So I'm gonna start from the repeat side. You can see this quite similar, aren't they? The first A bars and then the start part, the part that has a star on it after the repeat. So play the first 6 bars exactly the same. Now the last bar, I'm gonna start from the left hand. C, A, G, and then the right hands play D. The page 2, first bar is C. We're gonna finishing the C, which also has a start part. So we're basically learning the start part this week. Okay, because they are quite similar, so we don't really need to practice. I don't need to talk about the first 6 bars, but starting from here. So I will demonstrate the ending starting from the last bar of page 1 and the first bar of page 2, which only have a 1 note in it. Okay, listen carefully. 1 E N A, 2 E N A, 1 E N A, right hands. 1 E N A, right hand. 1 E N A, 2 E N A. The concert speed. One more time. Now this week, I want you to learn from the first page up to the second page, first bar, where you can see a star. Okay, now that's all for this week. Hopefully you can enjoy your practice. Looking forward to see you next week. Bye for now.